So Unit 13, probability, and we're going to turn to complete frequency trees. 100 people were asked whether they prefer Coca-Cola or Pepsi. Complete the frequency tree to show the information. So the first thing is, I know that this frequency tree is about 100 people. So this bit here is the starting number. I've got 100 people. And now I'm going to fill it in. So if the girls are 56, and I've got 100 altogether, so I've got girls and I've got boys, these two bits here will have to add up to 100. So I've got 56, so here I must have 44. And then I'm just going to look at the boys. These 44 boys, 24 of them like Coca-Cola. So how many liked Pepsi? Well, we know it's got to make 44, so it must have 20. Got 56 girls, 25 of them like Coca-Cola, so 31 of them, sorry, 25 like Pepsi, so 31 like Coca-Cola. Now if I check, I should have 25 if I add it up. I should have 100 if I add it up. So I've got 24, 44, 69, 70, 100. So I've got 100 altogether, which is what I started with. So I have more than likely filled it in correctly. Okay. 80 Year 12 students each study one science. 47 are girls. So we can see our girls here and our 80 here. 17 girls study biology. 11 boys study physics. Altogether, 21 students study physics and 34 students study chemistry. What fraction of the students are girls that study chemistry? So to work that out, you're going to need to know what goes in this box here. So pause the video and see if you can fill in the boxes with the missing information. So I've filled in the missing information. I've got 33 because these have to add up to 80. I've then got 10 here because I'm told physics has to add up to 21. And then I know this 10, 17 and chemistry add up to 47. So that must be 20. And then chemistry adds up to 34. So these two have to make 34 together. I'm asked what fraction of the students are girls that study chemistry? Well, it's 20 out of 80. Three questions. How do we decide what is in the first box? What calculation can we use to check our tree? And how much information do you need to fill in a frequency tree? So pause the video, answer those questions, and check them against my answers in a minute. So the first box is going to be the total number that we're either asking people or counting. The calculation we can use to check, if you add up the final column, it should make your first box. If it doesn't, you've gone wrong somewhere. And to fill in a frequency tree, you're going to need to know at least one bit of information for each branch. Otherwise, you can't work it out. Okay, there are 4 questions to have a go at. Pause the video, have a go, and I'll share the answers in a moment. So check your answers, make sure you write down any corrections, and if you need more practice, make sure you scan the QR code and try the Maths Watch clips.